A 40-question English quiz to check your overall level. Can you beat the average score? What does neither fish nor fowl mean? Answer B, uncertain. What does set the cat among the pigeons mean? Answer A, chaos. Find the best synonym of believe. Answer C, trust. Choose the synonym of pointed. Answer B, sharp. Opposite of laud. Answer D, denounce. What is the opposite of confiscate? Answer B, return. What is the plural of laughter? Answer D, laughter. What is the plural form of wife? Answer B, wives. Fill in the blank. Answer A, he can't be at home. I just saw him leave the building. Complete the sentence. Answer B, he got the report edited by the editor. Pick the past tense of blow. Answer A, blue. What is the past form of set? Answer B, set. Choose the past form of save. Answer A, saved. How do you spell this word? Answer C, incident. Pick the correct spelling. Answer A, Pacific. What's the correct spelling? Answer B, laughter. What is the antonym of commute? Answer C. Stay. Opposite of conserve. Answer A. Waste. What is the antonym of recede? Answer D. Advance. What word is closest to appear? Answer B. Emerge. Choose the synonym for now. Answer D. Currently. Find the best synonym of clandestine. Answer A. Secret. What does dead as a doornail mean? Answer C. Dead. What does have a bee in one's bonnet mean? Answer A. Obsession. What does turn the tables mean? Answer B. Take control. What is the past form of clothe? Answer C. Clad. Choose the past form of swing. Answer A. Swan. How do you form the past of slit? Answer C. Slit. Choose the correct past form of speak. Answer D. Spoke. What is the plural of policy? Answer A. Policies. Choose the correct plural form of axis. Answer C. Axes. Select the correct plural form of sand. Answer A. Sand. What is the plural of theory? Answer D. Theories. Fill in the blank. Answer C. She had her dress tailored for the gala. Complete the phrase. Answer A. She refrained from answering immediately. Choose the correct preposition. Answer B. She was accused of breaking the rules. Find the correct option. Answer A. Dependent. Which spelling is correct? Answer D. Identify. Which spelling is correct? Answer C. Concentrate. Spot the correct spelling. Answer C. Dependably. Congratulations! You did a great job. Tell us your score in the comments. Like and subscribe for more quizzes.